forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so that you will know every time that I upload a video. Because girl, I am on my game. And those of you who are coming back, welcome back. I appreciate you taking a look at my videos. Leave some comments. Hold that door. My phone. You see my phone, my case? I made that myself. Anyway, those of you who are coming back, girl, thank you for coming back. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank Pheonix for sponsoring this video again. Oh, I love my other comforter. Those of you who have not picked this up, this is a wonderful Christmas gift. Girl, your mother is going to appreciate a gift like this. Mother, sister, anybody who has their own place, their own bed, kids, everybody. These are such excellent gifts. As you can see, this is an all-natural company. They make sure that you actually feel comfortable in your bed. We spend a lot of time in bed. We just do. We just do. And when we aren't in bed, we're at work, girl. So by the time you get home, you want to snuggle up, especially in the wintertime. This is something you want in your arsenal. I don't know what kind of comforters you got. And you know, I love comforters from all sorts of stores. But a high-end comfortable comforter that you aren't paying an arm and a leg for, girl, that's a plus. This is one of their sets. You get 3 pieces in this comforter set. These are hypoallergenic polyfiber feel. They are super soft, plush, and shaping, and a Serpa fabric will just make you feel nice and cool. If you are one of those people who sweat at night, you know, some of these people hot flashes, girl, this comforter is going to relieve some of that. It lets the body breathe through the fibers. It is super soft. And let me tell you, they do not test these on nothing is done with testing on animals. This is a conscious supplier and manufacturer. They make sure that everything is done with you in mind, especially when they are producing these comforters. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up for you. These are all machine washable, and you can stick them right in the dryer. And look at the little bag. I mean, even the bag it comes in is just, you can put it right back in this bag, store it for the the summertime, of course. But oh my God, I love my white one, but you know, I got a dog and that white one gets dirty, so I am so glad they reached out to me with this pretty color. And you can see when you get your blanket, it's going to be sealed. See, this is not just tossing it to you. This is vacuum sealed in here. So you know when I open it up, it's going to fluff out so nicely. So let me see if I can open this up by hand. I wish I could save this, but unfortunately I cannot. I do have to cut it to get my blanket out. If you didn't see my other video, please watch that on the white one. Oh, the white one is so pretty. Look, you see how it's fluffing up already? Oh, girl. This is going to look good. And they come in, they have this brown right here, and then they also have the white ones. But look at this. Look at this. If you live in Montana, any place like that, if you don't pick this up, I don't know what you're doing. Wait till you see this. Look at that. The Serpa lining is just nice and lightweight. Look at the back side of this. Oh, I am just loving my comforter. Make sure that you go check out Pheonix. I'm gonna tell you, they are all about comfort. They are all about making sure that your bedroom is the most comfortable place for you while you take your nice long slumbers this winter. So make sure you check out Peace Nest. They are absolutely perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Again, I want to thank Peace Nest for sponsoring this video, and go check them out. I'll put the links and everything below. They have this beautiful Serpa comforter. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And let me just show you the pillowcase. Yes, you get the pillowcase with the same thing, the Sherpa on the outside, and then you have that on the other side. So yes, you get two pillowcases and you get this fluffy comforter. Oh, I'm putting this on tonight. I don't know about y'all, but it's just enough to keep me nice and warm. And it just gets down to 50 here in Arizona at night. But girl, if you are in Colorado, which my son is, he's coming home for Thanksgiving, you know what? I think he's going to try to steal my blanket. These make perfect comforters for your sons or your daughters' school. So yeah, and it has the little kid thing right here. So hey, it's Christmas. Get the picking up from Peace Nest. Love you guys. Mwah. See you later. Bye.